If you're looking to create lead segments on Apollo.io, but you're not sure where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to easily create lead segments on Apollo.io to optimize your outreach efforts, saving you time and improving your marketing strategy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up lead segments, target the right prospects, and drive results. Stick around, because I'll also show you an exclusive way to get started with Apollo.io for free. First things first, let's talk about what lead segments are. Essentially, lead segments allow you to organize your leads into distinct groups based on shared characteristics. This helps streamline your outreach and ensures you're sending the right messages to the right people. Whether you're segmenting by job title, industry, location, or company size, Apollo.io's powerful filters give you all the control you need. To create a lead segment, start by logging into your Apollo.io account. From your dashboard, you'll see the Leads tab on the left-hand side. Click on that to view your lead database. Once you're in the Leads section, look for the Filters option at the top. These filters will be your best friend throughout the process because they allow you to drill down and find exactly the type of leads you're looking for. Click on the Filters drop-down and you'll see a wide range of options. You can filter by criteria like company name, location, revenue, job title, and much more. The more specific you get with these filters, the better your lead segment will be. For example, if you're targeting executives in the tech industry based in California, you can easily filter for just that. Once you've selected your filters, Apollo.io will automatically refresh the leads list based on your criteria. You'll now see a refined list of prospects that match your segment. Now, to save this as a segment, just click on the Save Segment button at the top. Name your segment something meaningful, like Tech Execs in California, so you can easily find it later. Now that you've created a lead segment, let's talk about how to use it. This segment can be used in your outreach campaigns, either through Apollo.io's email automation tools or in conjunction with any CRM you're using. By using lead segments, you'll increase your chances of success because you're targeting the right prospects with a more tailored approach. You can also create multiple segments for different stages of your sales funnel. For example, if you have leads who've engaged with your content, you could create a segment for them and nurture them differently than cold leads. By customizing your outreach this way, you can optimize your messaging and boost engagement. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try Apollo.io for free through the exclusive link in the description below. You'll also get access to some exclusive bonuses that will help you make the most out of your Apollo.io account. This is a limited time offer, so be sure to take advantage of it while it lasts. To quickly recap, creating lead segments on Apollo.io is all about filtering your leads based on specific criteria, saving them as segments, and using those segments in your outreach. It's a powerful way to make sure your marketing efforts are as effective as possible. Remember, with Apollo.io, you can organize your leads, refine your targeting, and grow your business more efficiently. Check out the link in the description below for your extended free trial and start creating those lead segments today. Thanks for watching and happy prospecting.